students. So today you're going to be reading an informational article that kind of relates to what you guys read yesterday about smartphones and privacy. This article is called One Bad Tweet. So you guys are going to be reading this article online. So I will send you the link. And this is the article, okay? And it's essentially about one bad tweet and how it could cost scholarships. It could cost you a lot of things. So kind of thinking about privacy online, what we're able to put online, is anything private anymore? All of those things sort of come into play. So you're going to be reading the article One Bad Tweet Online, and I want you guys to be thinking about how this relates to the privacy article about smartphones that you read yesterday, and how it sort of relates to privacy or the lack of privacy in our sort of world today. You're going to be answering some questions. So there's 11 questions associated with the article. I'll go ahead and pull those up. So you guys are going to be talking about like what the main idea is, considering who the audience was, and you'll make sure that you're explaining your answers. You'll be answering all of those questions after you read the article. The last thing that I want you to do is I want you to write a response to the article's main claims. This is something, normally we would maybe discuss this in class, right, and see what your viewpoint is. I want you to write this response like you would an article of the week assignment, but I've got some questions that I want you to kind of consider and include your answers somewhere in your response. So thinking about how the content of this article relates to what you read yesterday about privacy. I want you to think about, does privacy even exist online anymore? Or in our society in general? I mean, is there such a thing as privacy? Why or why not? With the sort of technological advances that we have. Should one bad tweet or post have such a lasting impact on someone's life? Like, should it be able to negatively affect what kind of job that you get or a scholarship that you get in the case of the article, right? Should it be able to have such a big impact on someone's life, or should society not consider what people post online? Like, is it fair game for somebody before they interview you for a job to look at your social media posts and consider whether they want to hire you or not based off of that? Like, is that fair? Why or why not? And just kind of explain what you think, and then of course use some evidence from the text to sort of back you up. Also, does having this knowledge about a lack of privacy in posting change what you would be willing to post online? Is it going to impact your future choices? Why or why not? So kind of, make a personal connection to the article. Again, I want you guys to actually write out your responses. So it should be in your own words. It should be about a page in length. And then, make sure that you're using some specific information to show your knowledge of the text, the fact that you read it and understood what you read. Please keep in mind that this week that you need to be doing your own work. Remember, we have we've got basically 2.5 weeks of instruction left before your EOC. Once you guys get back in person next week, we're really going to be focusing on EOC prep those last 2 weeks. So please make sure that you are doing your own work, okay, showing me what you understand and what you know. I will be reading through these, so make sure that you do your very best, okay? As always, if you have any questions, make sure that you email me before 3:30. I look forward to seeing what you guys think about, privacy and maybe the lack of it, and what you think, what are the solutions, right? To this, and how it maybe having this knowledge is going to impact what you post in line. I'm just interested to see what you guys say about that. Um, so if you have any questions, or you want to, you want to set up a meeting with me during class time, if you have some more detailed questions, I'd be happy to do that. Anything that I can do to help you guys this week, please, please, please let me know. I'm here at the school. I'm willing to do anything for you guys and help you in any way I can on these assignments. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys later. Thanks.